Hi friends, welcome to Civil Sutra. Today's topic is construction site safety. While going to the topic, please don't forget to subscribe our channel Civil Sutra. Use PPE on site. Most construction sites require at least hard hat, safe boots, jackets, safe glasses. Wear them always for your safety purpose. A few facts. The first week on each new site is the most dangerous. Accidents are more frequent at the end of the day. Small building jobs are the most risky. Safety helmets, jackets, safety boots do prevent injury and death. Lightweight shoes such as trainers and runners are not suitable on site. Safe access on site. Everyone can get to their place of work safely. Edges from which people could fall or provide with double grade rails or other suitable edge protection. Holes are protected with clearly marked and fixed covers to prevent falls. Site is tied, good lighting, fenced off from public. Working at heights. Height hazards on construction site. Holes in floors, gaps on working platforms, shafts, and stairwells not adequately covered, barricade, fence off. Using ladders or scaffolding without proper fixing is crazy. Never use incomplete scaffolding. Make sure there are handrails and toe boards at all edges. Things fall on sides. Wear your helmets. Before starting work at heights, check for clearance from any overhead power lines. Safe ladders. Never allow more than one person on a ladder. Use tool belts or handle lines to carry objects. Do not lean out from the ladder in any direction. If you have a fear on heights, don't climb a ladder. Do not allow others to work under a ladder in use. The roof, a risk place to be. Always inspect a roof before you walk on it. You must have protection to stop you from falling from the edge. You must use proper safety harness and running cables when working on top of a roof. Remember, a walk along a fraggly roof could be your last. 50% of flat injuries involving roofs are fall through fraggly materials. 30% of falls from edges and openings. Excavation work. Make sure the excavation is inspected daily. Make sure you know where any underground pipes and cables are before you hit them. Remember, there is no safe ground that will not collapse. Trench sites can collapse without warning. Crane safety. The weight of a load must be carefully estimated. The crane must be fitted with an automatic safe load indicator. The crane must always work on a hard level base. The load must be properly fixed and secured. The banksman must be trained to give clear signals. Never be carried with a load. Electricity safety. Good practice with electricity on site. Treat electricity with respect. Check constantly that cables are not damaged or worn. Keep trailing cables off the ground and away from water. Never overload or use makeshift plugs and fuses. No job is so important that it cannot be done safely. Under no circumstance are persons working on this site to put themselves in danger. Best be safe today while working on site. Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel Civil Sutra.